Hi there, year ones. By now, you should have adjusted to the system so you know that you'll start with your spelling words, okay? So you'll go to your spelling words, just like on the screen. You'll write down your spelling words. Pause this video while you write your spelling words and come back when you're finished. Okay, so then we carry on with our activities for Wednesday. So we need to, for the first part of the activity, look on the screen and look at the pointer, that first part. We have to read each word and add a magic E. Read each word again. Okay, I'll read the words for you. Pip, without the E. When you add the E, it becomes pipe. Rip, without the E. When you add the E, it becomes ripe. Fin, at the E, it becomes fine. Red, at the E, it becomes ride. Fur, at the E, it becomes fire. Okay, then for the second part of the activity you want to look at the screen where I'm pointing, it's a B or letter B. Write the correct word. Okay, so this over here, is it a pail or is it a pipe? Pause the video and circle your answer. Next one, like or hike, ride or rice, wire, wide, broke or bike, tame or time, fine or fire, hide or hive, pain or pine, mine or main, tile or tail, hike or kite. Okay, then for this part of the activity, unscramble these letters. Okay, so you need to unscramble these letters to make senseful words. I can give you a hint. Magic E. Okay, so if you look closely, all your activities end with a E. So this first activity, or sorry, pardon me, this first part, number 1, would be bite. The second one, rice. Okay, you can always go back, look at the screen to the T. You can always go back to it, okay, for spelling or for some hints. Then we move on to verbs. A verb is an action word, okay? It tells us what someone or something is doing, okay? For instance, I am recording, okay? So recording is my verb. I am sitting. Sitting is my verb, okay? So for this activity, you need to complete the sentences using the verbs next to it. So look at the screen. You have verbs in little boxes. You only choose one, okay? So you can either circle it year one or you can write it in, okay? If the lines are too short, you can choose to just circle it and I will know that that's the answer you chose. I'll do the first part for you. Number 1, the cat up a tree. So did the dog read the cat up a tree or did the dog chase the cat up the tree? That's right. The dog chased the cat up the tree. Okay, so that's what you need to do. The second sentence, the bird away. Choose the bird flew or the bird drove. 3. Cuba wrote a chocolate ice cream or Cuba ate a chocolate ice cream. 4. I listened a movie. I watched a movie. 5. Jenny ate a book. Silly Jenny. Or Jenny read a book. 6. The fish was climbing. Silly fish. Fish don't climb. The fish swimming. Okay. Then for this part of the activity, you need to write one sentence using the word ran. Okay, that is it for our English. We're moving on to our maths for today. Okay, it's Wednesday, so we look at Wednesday's maths. There we go. Okay, so we're still looking at solid shapes. So we've got a sphere, rectangular prisms, and cubes. Okay, here you've got to ring the shapes, okay? So all the spheres in this box, look at the screen where I'm showing. In this box, all the spheres that are round like a ball, you have to circle, count, and write it on this line over here. Okay. Number 2, rectangular prisms. Here one, follow the pointer. Here you've got rectangular prisms. This is what they look like. Okay. Count all the rectangular prisms in this box and write it down. Okay, but you still circle it. 3, cubes. Here one, here we have cubes. They look like a dice. Count all your cubes and write it down on this line over there. Then we've got a fun activity, coloring. Yay! Okay, so you have to color only the 3D shapes. Okay, 2D shapes are flat, okay? But 3D shapes aren't. So you have to color in all the 3D shapes only, okay? That's all you have. And then we move on to our science. Year 1, let's see what we have planned for Wednesday. Okay, so I'll read this page to you and you may have fun with it, okay? Try and make your own shadows, okay? Shadow shapes. So listen carefully. Shadows do not always look like the object that they make. Shadows can be a different shape. Shadows have no color, they are always dark. That means you won't find a red, a pink, or a yellow shadow. Shadows have no details, like eyes or a mouth. Okay, then for activity 4.8, you get to make your own animal shadows and try making these shadow animals with your hand. Okay, so have fun with this activity, year ones. We've also sent a link to a fun shadow song that you can listen to, and this is what it looks like. So just ask your mommy or your daddy, okay, to help you find this video. It's called The Shadow. This is what it looks like. That is the end of our lessons for today, year ones. I hope you've enjoyed it and you've understood the work. And if you haven't, ask your mommy or your daddy to just give me a call and I'll try and explain it again. See you guys tomorrow.